guys, and welcome back to my channel for another video. If you are new to my channel, hello and welcome. I'm so happy that you're here. My name is Cheyenne. I'm a stay-at-home mom of 4 children, and we do live in eastern New Mexico, and we did just buy this house in March, so this is our first year in a new home. And if you have not yet subscribed, I do hope you consider subscribing. It is absolutely free for you to do so. Don't forget to put on your notification bells because I don't technically have a set schedule when I post. I am trying to post 2 to 3 times a week. I don't know if I'm succeeding in that. But I am giving it my best. So anyways, thank you so much for clicking on today's video, and I hope you enjoy all the cleaning motivation.
I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind. Find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
So of course that wouldn't be my type of cleaning video if I didn't clean the kitchen first. I cooked dinner the night before and I just didn't feel like cleaning up, so I'm tackling it the next morning, and that's okay because, I mean, it's just okay. Like, it's okay to leave a mess in your kitchen the night before. It's not going to kill anybody. So anyways, I'm tackling that mess, and then in this video I also have a what's for dinner. I show you what we made for dinner that night, so if you're interested in seeing that, then definitely stay tuned until the end.
Every time I'm going out, the same things keep happening. New boy, same tricks. Coming close to me now, trying to be smooth, so here we go again. Here we go again. You're trying to buy me drinks, and I don't like your cheap tricks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya? I don't know what you think, but I'm not one of those chicks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya?
You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me.
Looking like a movie star, you try to pick me up in your new sports car. I think it's called a Jaguar. I don't give a damn, I got money on my mind. I can see you want me bad, but your pretty moves kinda make me sad. Oh boy, you must be mad. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too
Trying to impress me, but I don't care about your Rolex or your credit card.
Rolex or your credit card. Still you won't quit, trying to be cool, so here we go again. Here we go again, again, again.
You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me.
Looking like a movie star, you try to pick me up
on this night, we did make loaded baked potatoes. We absolutely love it. Sometimes I serve it with like a salad or maybe some steak and a salad, or, one of each. But on this night, I didn't have those things prepped, ready to go, and I wanted something quick and easy for me to do, not something that takes me 2 hours to make. So I got these potatoes prepped, and yes, I slit my potatoes on the top instead of poke holes on them all over the potato. They actually come out better this way. I popped these in the oven for 400 for about an hour, and I did olive oil the side, the outside of the potato, and salted them, and it came out so good. And for those of you who don't know, you can eat the outside of a potato. I'm sure everybody knows that, but some people don't. I don't usually do that anymore, but I used to. While my potatoes are cooking in the oven, I had to prep up some bacon because we love bacon on our loaded potatoes, as well as we love green onions, sour cream, cheese, all the works. My husband likes croutons on his baked potatoes. So I crushed up a bag of croutons and just kind of, have it for later if I want it for a salad or anything like that. So if you are looking for a different type of meal idea, it's probably not the best for little kids. My 4-year-old didn't eat it, and he probably won't for a long time, and that's fine. But if you are looking for an easy dinner, this was an easy dinner, and potatoes can be very filling for you. So look at that potato. It's beautiful. Anyways, thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.